Hey y'all, welcome back to ENS plus 3 TV. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I make my steak fried rice, you guys. This rice looks so beautiful. Look at it, so juicy, the shrimp, the steak, the mushroom, baby. But without further ado, if you guys want to see how it's done, then continue watching. Of course, you guys, you know, in order to go ahead and cook, you need a clean hand. All right, so what you guys seen here, come on, there we go. I have my mushroom, bell pepper, onion, and green bell pepper. You guys seen it, red bell pepper, and in the pot, in the skillet cooking back there, I have the ground beef with onion and seasoned in there, you guys. And back here is some beets. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it. You know what is beets. All right, so the rice is already done, you guys. This is the white rice with the colorful season with the sweet peas, and we back here to the skillet. Okay, so right here where I'm stirring, you know, my mushroom, my green bell pepper, my red bell pepper, you guys. You know, I don't like mine raw, you know, I have to cook it. So back here, you guys, we have the steak. Okay, we have the steak ready to go. All right, you guys, I'm trying to, yeah, you guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and let it cook for a little bit. All right, you guys. Oh, here I have some shrimp. That's the shrimp I'm gonna go ahead and put in there. We're gonna go ahead and remove that, put that in the sink and wash it, and they're already deveined and all that good stuff, you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead back again, stirring that, you know, just cooking it on low, not too high. You don't want to cook your food, you know, high and all that good stuff. And this is the fry sauce I'm going to put in there. You guys gonna see, I'm gonna add a little bit in there, drip it, you know, just a little bit, you guys. But yeah, and this is the beets leaf. You know, this is very healthy for you guys. There it is. This is what the beets look like. If you didn't know, boom, right there. Yeah, you guys, this is the sauce. Okay, I'm just adding not too much, just enough, you know, to just get it started, to get it, you know, marinated, you know, and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying, you guys know. But yeah, continue watching, you guys. You guys see what it looks like? Okay, it's still raw to me. You know, I don't eat mine like that. If you guys do eat, you know, mushroom where it's not fully cooked, comment down below. I like to know. Okay, let me know how you guys eat y'all mushrooms, and you know, the pepper, onion, and all that good stuff. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and let that cook just for a little bit, and then your girl will be right back. All right. All right, my babies. Okay, your girl is back. Okay, right now we just adding the shrimp, you guys, and as you guys see, it was cooking to my liking. Okay, I didn't fully cook the mushroom and the onion and the bell pepper, you guys. So right now I add my mushroom, stirring it and stuff like that. Look how good this looks. Oh my gosh, look how good, you guys. I have to cook for y'all one day, for real. One day we're gonna meet up somewhere, y'all. We're gonna have a meet and greet or something, because your girl got to throw down one time for y'all. Okay. And yeah, you guys, so that's it. You know, that's it cooking right here. As you guys can see, your girl is adding some garlic powder. Okay, wow, going heavy. Look at that. As you guys can see, that's a lot of garlic. Okay, but garlic don't have okay, never mind. But anyway, you guys, they love garlic, so well, garlic is good for you. Google the benefits of garlic, you guys will see. Next, your girl will be adding some paprika, I believe. Yeah, there we go. Alright, you go ahead and add. I don't know how much I'm adding, you guys, but add it to your liking, just like so. And black pepper, you guys. You know, I'm always doing all type of different video, but you know, it's been a while, you guys, since your girl dropped a cooking video for y'all. So I was just thinking, you know, while I was cooking dinner, let me just do a little recording for my babies, for my bright stars. Okay, you guys are my bright stars. This is some Old Bay point blank period. Yes, I do add that. Yes, I did. You guys saw it. You just you just witnessed that. Okay. Yeah, you guys, let me know, you know, how the steak fried rice, let me know what you think about it, you know. Comment down below, let me know if you do gonna try, you know, my recipe, if you're gonna copy, you know, your girl recipe. It's not really a recipe, you know. Yeah, babies, bright star. Don't forget, if you guys try the way your girl cooked this steak fried rice, don't forget to tag me in, you guys. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. You know it's free and that really helps your girl. And please, you guys, watch it at least 10 minutes. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Oh, I think I know, but I'm not sure. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. I know your girl talk too much. I know. But you guys, I love y'all. But yeah, okay, your girl will be back at the end, okay? Mwah.